Hello everyone, welcome to Marigold TV. Please, if today is the first time to watch or listen to my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also remember to press the bell sign. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much. I so much appreciate you. Now, if you never say subscribe, I beg kindly do so. In this channel, I dey always bring latest updates based on what dey happen for inside life. So today, my people, I want to talk concerning this very Nigeria boy una dey see here. So una see the problem where some of those Nigerian guys they get, especially all those ones where they call themselves Yahoo. That they always they look for the fast, easy way for them to make money, and they forget that there is no easy way you can make money without you not put hard work into it. You need to work under someone, or you need to go kind of set up business, or you need to go learn work. The years where you go take learn work, if not 2 years, if not 3 years, by the time when you go don't finish learning that work, now to go set your own business, from there you don't begin don't they make money. But some of those young guys, no one will want learn work again, no one will want do business again, except for the ones who really know what they want for life. We no want make them put themselves for danger. Now few of those ones you see say they so serious about their future. But all those kind of ones where they look for express way to make money, where they begin to involve for fraud, online fraud, using girls to do money ritual, so that they can be going to party every weekend, living a flamboyant life. That flamboyant life where they live, where they know they sure of the day where be say their own death go meet them. Because then we cure other people to take make blood money. They must definitely suffer the consequences when the time comes. So that one and for that one. This very guy, as I just said, you go for inside social media. Now, so I take come across a picture and lot of write-up concerning what happened to her. It can't happen to be say this guy he did in a relationship with an American lady of 62 years old. For the length of time where two of them don't say meet each other through online, now this Oyibo come make decision say okay, he want go visit this boy for Nigeria, and this boy now from Delta State. As this Oyibo come finally reach Nigeria, he can't go meet this boy for Delta State. They come gather lodge for one hotel for that Delta State. I don't forget the name. Now since March, now this Oyibo don't take there for that place now. But recently, a few days ago, it can't happen to be say this Oyibo can't die. Before this Oyibo die, they say she can't get a little bit of symptoms of this COVID-19, coffee and other kind of temperature and all. As this guy see say this Oyibo woman condition don't become severe for the hotel where they dey for the before you know it, this guy don't shatter car. He don't begin on the carry this Oyibo woman to hospital, whether the woman go survive the the sickness. But before they get there, the Oyibo don't give up. From there again, now this boy just carry this Oyibo woman body. Oh yeah, they can't go land for Delta State police station, can't go report himself. As he can't reach there, now there the police officers wey dey there can't call doctors, make them come take the sample of the Oyibo woman and the boy, so that they go know if na COVID-19 na kill the Oyibo woman and this boy also. For them to make sure say they see they secure and safe, they need to test him. And if it can happen to be say they test positive of COVID-19, then the other people will still get in contact with them, they go still need to go do self-isolation. So as they can't do all those things, now then we not say Nigeria they not go fit leave that boy make it go. In as much say even though this boy not get hand concerning the woman death, say he not get anything to do with that woman death, they go still need to detain her. Number one, being a Yahoo boy, that one alone, you need to answer question for police hands. The people wey they don't face the fraud online, you need to make confession because they don't cause so many pain for people body for online. If the boy na actually Yahoo boy or where they do all those online fraudster, now so they come put this boy for station there, make it dey self-isolation. If na COVID-19, then they go know what to do then. So now so the matter can be. The question is this, my people, because this our Nigerian young youth, they in fact they themselves, they be the problem of their own selves. Yes, now small now we take the talk say government. The mess where this boy don't come put himself now, if not be long throat where they worry this guy, right? You see now, as you get this Oyibo through online, Oyibo don't come meet her with our own hearts, because definitely this Oyibo, if you look the boy age, you look the Oyibo age, 60-something years old. This Oyibo is even old enough to even be this boy mother. Now, do you understand me so? Wetin concern small boys with all those American old women. Some of those boys now they use their own hand, they destroy their own future because of long throat, because they want to make it, because so many of them don't want to go through the difficult way as in hard work to get this money. They all believe that okay, making it in life is for them to look for any person may come from Europe, either America, any part of Western world. Once they don't succeed, they'll constantly use the jars where they believe on. For me, I don't believe in jars or bets. So many of them, I not say get what people they believe on. Then where they believe on, so they also they work for them. They'll come do different concoction, come they use that on those people. If you say this boy will put himself for this mess now, he's suffering, behave himself, he know what he wants, he avoid this Yahoo stuff, he not go see himself for this problem. He not go see. And at the same set of guys wey go don't put themselves for this whole mess, they'll call the shout government add to their problem also, because there is no work that is being created for them. Many don't finish university now, graduate to get better job not there. You understand? Like this guy case now, it's so very heartbroken for him, it's so very sad for him, because it not be waiting he expects say go happen now. Now it go happen to her. Nigeria police, they not go leave and lie. In as much say they don't know say na Yahoo boy, they go say na hand meet her. Only waiting this guy go evil take free, go fit come up for police hand. If they don't check this Oyibo now say okay, na COVID-19 na he kill her, okay, he go dey free from that aspect. Even though say the woman now from America, but it's already confirmed that is COVID-19, because COVID-19 don't they kill so many people. So this boy will not go dey different. Say as long as they know say na COVID-19, mean they can't say put her for jail. No, but for this Yahoo way they do so. If this guy no get people we go really go stand for am after they don't see the whole matter say is free from this woman death. My dear, they go just suffer put am for prison there kpakan. He go confess. Nigeria police, if you never ever go put yourself for their hand, they go see even investigate you, reach us, bring you out. Once they know say you be yahoo. Not to talk of say this incident now don't push this boy heart. And there is one way where this boy sit and do where they good because he need to do it whether I like it or not. As that it happen, he must definitely go report himself for station because he can never run. Immediately when he say go run, that means it shows that he were the one that kill her. They say clean conscience, fear no accusation. When your hand they clean for something, so you will not be afraid. So I so much believe that was the reason why it's just kind of okay. You need to go report himself, and the woman will see so much good to him too. Person wey fit comot for America, if they find small boy they come, maybe if not because of this COVID-19 now this Oyibo woman like play this Oyibo woman for see help and enter America, you don't see better in life, but unfortunately their plan not come for put. This boy still give am the last respect. You see do am the way we supposed to take do am so that they no go count in hand put for the woman death. If not some of all those dangerous yahoo where they use human being till they make money for themselves, they bust champagne. Hey, you not go see them, or maybe they forever use that woman go to make money. Or let's say Oyibo woman not go let them do blood money. Now that woman go take free. If Oyibo woman go let them do blood money, all those wicked yahoo guys, they go carry on. This guy I pray may God intervention just help and heart of it, because either good or bad, either say na yahoo boy where they do online, maybe na condition, but the condition where make am go they do and supposed to go use and go learn work. I'm not sure is that type of those yahoo boy that deal with blood money. I'm not sure some of that kind of person, because all those kind one where they deal with blood money, they look for girls where they want to go to do money. Those ones, their mind is so very heartless. Person will go fit carry human being because of money. Go use human being blood, do money finish, go feel comfortable. They use that money when he quite know saying that that person may use. Then they pump that money give am. I pray may they leave this guy sha. May they not because of this case jail am. In as much say na see yahoo boy online fraudster, may God just kind of make them leave am. Not really easy. Now just the thing where I just kind of see for social media now, I decide to bring her come for my case if I never know much about this whole matter, so that now go get to know what happened now recently for Delta State. I so much believe make those young boys make them learn now with wetin they happen and wetin person they see for life. Now the wise one go take learn. Even the ones where they foolish, where they always they look for way to make it so quick, they still need to learn. Slow and steady win the race in life. Looking for a quicker way to make it in life. There is no quick way. Even this yahoo of a thing, online of this thing that they do so, now that one ever come dead danger pass. Yes. Once they catch you, now jail you go. Why don't you just look for, a job at all, na a bad, go learn work. Before God will finally see answer your prayer. Hope was not built a day. You start from somewhere. But many of those young guys, they don't want to start from somewhere. So anyway, my people, now so we just see the whole matter, Risha. Thank you. See you in my next video, guys.